Sometimes some amazing stories come out of my Ikaria cooking classes, and I have Jessica, who brought me something asking for information about it, and it's these vintage Greek silk scarves.
My grandmother, she was born in the United States. She married my grandfather, and he was stationed here in Greece.
In the U.S. Navy.
And so she collected these scarves, I'm assuming while she lived here, and I never knew about them. My grandmother was a very private lady, and she died this past fall. And so after she passed, the family has been going through some of her belongings, and now we have a lot of questions that we do not have the answers to.
These look like pure silk, almost souvenir scarves. Maybe they did a little traveling when your grandfather was in the Navy here. Some of them have monuments printed on them. You had mentioned it's kind of a homecoming for the scarves themselves, like you came back to Greece almost finishing a cycle. Thank you for gifting me one.
I love the thought of it, returning back to Greece.